All right, hello AP Physics 1 students. As you gear up for the AP exam, if you're taking it, I have given you lots of resources here in the course and in this announcement as well. So if you haven't seen this announcement, I hope you check out these links, and I'm just going to walk you through these links here to kind of point out and highlight some things that you don't want to miss. If you can't make live sessions, that's okay. All these links have everything that you need, and I'm just going to record this video right now again to show you what you would be getting if you did attend the live session. So don't feel obligated to do that. Everything is here for you. Okay, so here are the links here in this announcement inside of Buzz, and let's go to each one of them and just kind of get an idea of what these links have for you. So this first one is just giving you kind of a introduction to the course, but the main part here is what I want you to see as far as the exam structure. You should go into this exam, if you're taking it, understanding exactly how the format of the exam is laid out. So you should understand what you're being tested on, the format of the exam, how many questions. You got two sections here, as you can see right here. You got two sections, multiple choice and the free response, and you should know everything about those two sections there. Okay, so that's what that document is for, is just to help you understand what to expect when you walk in, what to expect. The exam is going to take you 3 hours, so be ready for that. I hope you've been practicing problems and maybe even some sample tests to kind of prepare yourself for the length of the exam. All right, and in this document too, there is one sample multiple choice question, just so you have a little taste of what to expect. The other link here is the course and exam description. Now in this one you're going to get a little more information as far as what to expect in the course and what is being tested. So right here you'll see that you can look at the content, and this should not be a surprise to you because this is everything we talked about in the course. So everything there is what you're going to be tested on, and you can go to those pages and learn a little bit more about those different content areas. Okay, so if you want to, for example, if you have you're still shaky on momentum, let's say, so we'd jump ahead to page 40 here and look a little bit more at momentum to give us an idea of what they're going to be testing in that particular content area. So this covers three of their big ideas, it touches on three of the big ideas. Okay, and I would focus on the essential knowledge over here, and this is what you really need to know. So if you look at this and say, oh, you know, I'm not so certain about momentum, then you can check each of these different essential knowledge points and see if those make sense to you. If they don't, you know that you need to study momentum a little bit more. Okay, maybe your weakness is a little bit more in the other area, rotational kinematics or something like that. So if you look in this document, it'll show you what you need to be able to do, what you need to be able to perform in each of those content areas. Okay, so that's why I refer to that one. You probably want to spend most of your time, though, looking at review videos that are going to be helpful to you. So this third link here in the announcement is giving you videos and instructional content to help you with anything that you do not understand. So if you don't understand one-dimensional, two-dimensional forces, circular motion, work and energy, all of this is here for you in these Khan Academy videos. So this is a great way, all of these topics, you could say, oh, you know what, I'm not quite sure about waves or wave characteristics. Watch these videos. Watch these videos and use those as a great study tool for you. Okay? And down here you'll see there's a course challenge, so you can test your knowledge. Has some questions for you to see if you are picking up everything, kind of like a little diagnostic test down here. Okay? Here you've got a little preparation for the AP exam, concept review, free response questions, and some advanced practice. This is a wonderful, wonderful resource. You have to tap into this and then use this in order to help you prepare. Okay? And the last link here is specifically a link, again, in Khan Academy, and they have sample questions for you, free response questions, and they're going to show you videos on how to solve those, how to work those, how to the different strategies that you can use in order to solve these different problems. So you have to tap into these resources. I know it's a lot of work, but each of you maybe are at different places and you have strengths and weaknesses in the course, and you need to then figure out what those are and then use these resources to bolster and strengthen your understanding in any areas that you feel weak. Okay? So that's basically what I would tell you in the live review session anyways. So if you can't make it, this video basically is just encapsulating exactly what I would share with you in the live session. So don't feel obligated to make it, but if you can, I'll see you there. And study hard. You've been working hard all course, and now you get to prove your knowledge and display your knowledge on the AP exam. So shoot me an email if you have questions, and I wish you the best. Keep up the great work.